Continuing my Rails Odyssey. Uh, just gonna mess around some more, do some more messing around, and see what. My mind is so full of questions, but I don't know what the questions are. So we've got this app. I've got like 10 Ruby apps that all do next to nothing. But this one's kind of pretty. I got some styling here, and I have this nav bar. It allows me to navigate between the tables. Got a books table. Show where to destroy. Got some nice CRUD feed functionality here. Create a new book. But the only attribute that the books have is author. You can go to Pokemon, make a new Pokemon. The Pokemon don't have any attributes. They are just, they're whatever. Sports cars. We've got sports cars. The sports cars also have no attributes. The music notes, they have attributes. We can give it a name, an octave, accidental, it's an integer, so like 1 would be a sharp, call it a B flat. Display the accidental. B flat 4, duration 4 for quarter note. Got a new B flat 4. We're going to display the accidental. And, so, cool. And a B sharp, a C sharp, a B flat. Nice job. Alright, so I want to. I think I've got another app in here. Let's see. I have a folder, Ruby apps. Okay, I got in. I'm in. We've got a lot of apps in here. Let's just check them out one by one. See what they do. Let's check it out. What's in this app? We got go into my DB. Migrate. I think this is all SQLite. We've got there's no Postgres here. Create books. Create title. So we've got a books page. Create books. Create a table with a title and a year. Create authors. Name and birth year. Add authors to books. Add authors to books. Add reference in the books table. Have it be author. Schema. So we created an authors table. Force the request to this particular controller or specified actions to be through HTTPS protocol. If you need to disable this for any reason, e.g. development, then you can use an if or unless condition. Force SSL. Force SSL. Huh. Force SSL. Force HTTPS protocol. This is in the same page. Oops. So let's see what's going on with this app. They don't have a books table. Oh, I have to turn it on to activate the server. Oops. Okay, yeah, we've got a table with some books. A book. We've got authors. I don't want to create a new author. I can't create any new authors. But we've got the book. We've got a Pokemon thing. I could search for Charizard. And we get this information, so we did a GET request from the Pokemon API. Yeah, so that's cool. Let's see what the other apps do. Let's look at that GET request business. So, where would that be? In the controllers. We have books, pages, Pokemon controller. Oh, this is really short. httparty.get Poke httparty is this business here. You like to party. That's one of the requirements. Okay. Huh. HTT party. Huh. So, info response to string. Render show. Layouts and rendering in Ruby on Rails. Well, that's an exciting app. Glad we checked out that one. Henderism. So in this app, let's see if I've got anything at all. I don't have any controllers. There's nothing in the database. Yeah. Controllers. Yeah, there's nothing here. Webpacker configuration file not found. Users, Arendelle, Ruby apps, Henderism, config, Webpacker, YAML. We don't have that file? Or do we need that file? Config. Webpacker.yaml. Yeah, it's not in there. What is webpacker.yaml? Why don't I have it? This file is read both Ruby code supplied by the Webpacker gem and the Rails server process and the JavaScript process that generates the Webpack configuration via the app Rails Webpacker npm package. Understanding Webpacker.yaml Rasta.net. Okay. This is a webpacker.yaml. Let's copy the contents of this file. Let's make a new webpacker.yaml. And we will save it in the config folder. Maybe that will make my app work. Oh my goodness. Hey! Do I have any... I don't have any tables in this app. There's nothing in this app at all. For the DB... Nothing here. Let's see if I can make a... See if I can do some kind of migration or something too. See if I can test out my skills. We want to do this command: generate migration. Let me see. Control C. Close the server. We gotta do Rails G for generate migration. Thingamabobs. But it needs to be plural, because it, yeah. Thingamabobs. Then we'll give it a part number. String. Color. String. Height. Float. Weight. Integer. Name. String. I like having lots of attributes. We'll have an other attribute. That'll be good. That'll be great. Okay. We're just doing a migration here. Looks like everything, so then we'll do, what's the command? Huh. Huh. Okay. Bundle exec. Thingamabobs. Where was my command? Where did it go? Okay, looks like it was successful. I just couldn't find this line here. I didn't know how far up we were. So, let's see if I've got my thingamabobs. I mean, what do I have available to? Whoa. So I got a migration. Oh, but there's nothing in it. Oh yeah, because I ran the command and it didn't. I should have a thingamabobs page, shouldn't I? Let's close the server. We'll run that command again. Except we will do it this one. And then I think I don't need to do the bundle exec again. Okay. Rake DB migrate. You've already activated. I should have done something that's easier to type. That's not here. Whatever. Let's check out the other apps. Just go through and break every app and then that's a lot of files. What folder is that? Node modules. There's nothing in here. Well, fun. There's some stuff here. Could not find Puma 5.0.2 in any of the sources. Run bundle install. Puma. What is SCSS? SAS. It's a preprocessor scripting language that is interpreted or compiled into cascading style sheets. SAS script is the scripting language itself. SAS consists of two syntaxes. The original syntax, called the indented syntax, uses a syntax similar to Haml. What's the difference? Geeks for geeks. CSS is basically the scripting language. CSS is used for designing web pages. CSS is the most important web technologies, are widely used along with HTML and JavaScript. CSS have file extension CCSS. SCSS, syntactically awesome style sheet. Is that what it means? Is a superset of CSS. SCSS is the more advanced version of CSS. SCSS was designed by Hampton Catlin and was developed by Chris Epstein and Natalie Weizenbaum. Due to its advanced features, it is often termed as sassy CSS. SCSS have file extension of .scss. SCSS contains all the features of CSS. It contains more features that are not present in CSS, which makes it a good choice for developers to use it. SCSS is full of advanced features. SCSS offers variables. You can shorten your code by using variables. It is a great advantage over conventional CSS. Example. We've got variables. I don't see any variables here. Oh, XX large, is that a variable? $white. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, because, CSS has variables too, but they're, take longer to type. They take longer to type. Because they have a funny syntax. Like, that's just silly. Huh. Yeah, you have to type var and do parentheses. And you have to define them in this root tag, right? No. I can't remember. So, Puma. Let's just run bundle install. Puma is the, what's Puma? Puma is a small library that provides a very fast and concurrent HTTP 1.1 server for Ruby web applications. It is designed for running Webpacks only. This makes the server screen without too many portability issues. Small library. Fast and concurrent HTTP 1.1. Puma. Make a new benchmark output to TFP. Code of conduct. Puma. This is really low contrast on the yellow thing. Nice low contrast. You've tried to invoke spring. This is probably because you generated bin stubs with Spring 1.0 and you now have a Spring version greater than 1.0 on your system. To solve this, upgrade your bundle to the latest Spring version and then run bundle exec Spring bin stub all to regenerate your bin stubs. This is a one-time step necessary to upgrade from 1.0 to 1.1. Upgrade your bundle to the latest Spring version. Spring. Huh. Well, that's interesting. Get this calories management app. Oops. We're in. Oh. What do we have in here? Nothing, nothing, nothing. Nothing. There's nothing. Well, I don't want to remove the calories app. I could. And copy this guy's app. Well, anyway, this has been fun. I'm gonna conclude and say, have a wonderful day. Goodbye.